In this video, I'm going to show you why Turbo is going to make you rich in this very bull market. So if you have not bought this very coin or you still want to buy, it is a time to buy right now. And I'm going to show you why in this very video. So watch this video to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about crypto. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto content like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Turbo is trading at 0.0049. Okay, I always talk about the supply and the total supply right here and the circulating supply, but if you look at the market right here, it is covered that Turbo is on OKX and on all these exchanges, and it has not gotten to an exchange like KuCoin, no Binance, no Bybit, no Upworld. We don't have Coinbase, and we don't also have Robinhood. So a lot of these major exchanges, we are still waiting for this very coin to get listed on those exchanges, and if they get that listing, is going to be very parabolic. Look at the chart right here. You see the market move all the way from this very point upward, and we are seeing this correction, and this is very significant. A significant correction, which means you are going to buy right now for the next move to the upside. I'm going to show you the exact point that you should buy in this very video. So keep watching the video to the very end. So if you come right here, you discover that this very token is not on most major exchanges, and if it get the listing on those exchanges, liquidity is going to definitely flow into this very token. So this is very important. Like I always say, if you want to really make the best out of this very bull market, then you have to do your research, and then after your research and you confirm that your research apply, you buy the coin very low when it has not getting listed on major exchanges, because when you do so, before that listing comes, liquidity is going to flow into that very token or coin for the next big move in the market, just like we can see on Turbo right here. So this is a very important thing you must have to be paying attention to when you want to buy into a project after you've done your research and due diligence. So if you look at Turbo right here, I believe strongly that Turbo is going to do very well and is going to make a lot of person rich in this very bull market. So if you look at it, we have the market capitalization of $313 million. This is still very low and ranked at 239 position on coin market cap. And then if you look at the supply, which is the circulating supply, this is just 63.6 billion, and out of total supply of 69 billion. So this is a significant supply. But if you also look at this supply and the circulating supply, you see they are almost the same, just about 7 billion difference. Okay, and if you look at it, Turbo is running on the Ethereum blockchain, and it is a meme token. Okay, so it's a meme token, just like you have Pepe, you have Breath, and then you have Coinu and some other meme token in the crypto space right now. And like I always say, meme token is going to do very well in this very bull market. So if you buy early, as it has not been listed on major exchanges, like I said earlier, is going to make you super rich. And if you look at the technical part of this very video, from this very area, we see a huge pump to the upside to this very point, and markets have retraced up to this very area. I can see that this retracement is almost more than 50% retracement. If you look at the Fibonacci 2 right here, we have the 50% retracement right here. So market is going down a little bit below this very 50% retracement position on the Fibonacci 2, And right now, what I am expecting is for the market to move to the upside. But before that will happen, you have to listen to this. If you want to buy right now, you need to pay attention to this. This very area is very important on the chart. As you can see, this is a spike where the market moved drastically to the upside from this very price level of 0.00349 and this very area where the market is right now. So I have these 2 points, this resistance, which is also support where the market is right now. This very zone is where I am expecting the next move to happen from. So from this very area, I am expecting turbo to begin to move drastically to the upside. So if you want to buy, this is the best area that you would think of taking some turbo into your portfolio, okay, before the next aggressive move come into the market. And there is also a tendency of the market not coming back right to this very area. So another point, which is a point of resistance that you need to pay attention to, is this very area of resistance. That means if we begin to see a pump to the upside gradually from this very point where the market is right now to this very area, and we see a breakout of this very level of resistance, then that means market is going to still begin to move to the upside. So pay attention to this very level. This is the best place for me to buy if you have not bought. And then if you still want to wait after the market come into this area and begin to move upward, this very area of resistance is a crucial resistance on this very chart that you can start buying from as well for the next big move, just like we see right here to the upside. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now if you want to hold turbo in your portfolio, and I believe it will make many person rich in this very bull market. So if you look at turbo price, this is just 0.00492, and looking at the market capitalization, it is still very low, like I said earlier. But if you do this little calculation, I believe turbo is going to do very well in this very bull market. So I am looking at turbo hitting 0.5, okay, the least 0.5 in this very bull market. That is in the heat of the bull run. So if we have $1,000, if you want to invest, let's say for example $1,000, and you buy at this current market price, okay, and that is 0.00493, you are going to have this quantity of turbo at hand. So if you have this quantity of turbo and turbo move up to 0.5, which is a possibility in the heat of the bull market, then you multiply that by 0.5, which is going to give you this in dollars. So this is $101,000, and this is very significant just by holding that quantity of turbo. And what that means is that if the price of this very token move to 0.5, which is, let's say 0.5, which is my expectation in the heat of the bull market, and if you multiply this by the circulating supply, which is 6374, and we have 1 and 174, it means that this very token is going to go up to $31 billion in market capitalization, which is very possible as well in the heat of the bull run. So the price target I am expecting, which is the least, is 0.5. So you must not buy with $1,000. You can buy below that, maybe $500, $200, as the case may be, maybe depending on your capacity. So this is a very good meme token that is going to make a lot of person rich in this very bull market. So the technical part of this very video is very important. Pay attention to buying the market from this very area, because I am expecting that the market come into this area a little bit before we see the next move to the upside. So pay attention to market coming back down before the next aggressive move to the upside on turbo, so you can get some turbo into your portfolio. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. If you've not raised on Binance, OKX, and Bybit, check the description of this video, see a link, and do that registration with the link and get all the bonuses. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.